We're on the 5th floor of the Somerset building at 416 Commonwealth Avenue in the Back Bay, and we're going to take a look at apartment 514. It's very spacious, it's over 700 square feet, and it's really sunny. You can see how much natural light it gets. As you walk in to the right, you have a coat closet. And there is another door that's just a water heater here. But you have this entry area. It's great for, some small items as you walk in. And it's a very unobstructed view here, so you get tons of light. It's a partially open kitchen, so you can kind of see the kitchen from this side. It's renovated. You have granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. And we're going to take a look at it from this other side. And you have all appliances: stove, microwave, fridge, great storage. And then across the kitchen, here you have the laundry room, stackable washer dryer, some additional storage here, and here's the bathroom with a tub, shower. It's also in great shape, updated. And to the left is the bedroom. It's also a very good sized bedroom. You can fit a king size bed here if you want. It's also very sunny. I'll back up here so you can see it from this side. And here is the closet. It's a walk-in closet. It's, again, very spacious. Tons of room to put things and hang things. And you have more space on this side. And just making my way back to the living room. There's the laundry room again. And we're back in the living room. I'm back in the lobby of the Somerset building. So that's the front door to the right there. And there is bike storage. If you go this way, it's right over here, so it's really easy to have it right on the first floor. Really good size bike storage. I'm on the first floor of 416 Commonwealth Avenue in the Somerset building. So I'm facing the lobby right now that we're going to take a look at in a second. And here is a courtyard, and that's the access to a garage. Here's the courtyard. It's a shared outdoor space. And the fitness room is also on this level, which is right here. That's the entrance to the fitness room. And so courtyard. There are a couple of elevators. So here's the management office, also on the same level. And over here we have mailboxes, more mailboxes, and entrance to the pool area. Here's the pool. the elevators. You can take off. And there is another elevator down the hall too, which is closer to the other side of the building. It's way down that way.
Hey, Richard.
And
How are you? That elevator's broken.
here is the lobby.
Yeah. I got in, I pushed 5 and it didn't move.
And the concierge desk is to the left. It's right over here. And this is the entrance off 416 Comm Ave. So this is Commonwealth Avenue. That's Charles Gate East. And Massachusetts Avenue is the next cross street that way. And this is the entrance to Somerset. Beautiful entrance, beautiful building.